Either this is the best financial deal I've ever found, or I'm missing something. When I first heard about the Robertson CFP community, I honestly thought there had to be a catch. $5 a month? Seriously? That's less than I spend on coffee. But I checked it out, and what I found surprised me. Inside the membership, I got access to financial planning courses, calculators, worksheets, workbooks, retirement planning resources, investing education, and AI-powered tools that actually helped me organize my financial life. And here's the crazy part. The entire community is led by Mark Robertson, a certified financial planner, with more than 25 years of experience helping people build financial plans. Most financial advisors charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars. This costs not 500. If you've ever wished someone would show you exactly how to create your own financial plan without trying to sell you something, this is it. And if you join before the end of July, you'll lock in the $5 monthly rate forever. No increases, ever. Honestly, it's one of the easiest financial decisions I've made. Sign up now at RobertsonCFP.com to lock in your rate